RBs, this is RB and welcome to my channel RBanaChopper. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm going to share an Italian recipe. Today I'm going to make bruschetta, which is a very famous Italian starter, and I'm going to give an Indian touch to this bruschetta, which is an Italian starter, and believe me, it is a really very tasty recipe. Please do try this at your home and let me know about what you think, and comment down below, and please give a like. And to know more about this recipe, please watch till the end, and if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel. So let's go to the recipe now.